Hi, I am here at the Edwardian Ball with Katherine Becvar of Blue Moon Designs, and she makes these incredible light-up necklaces and headpieces and buses and all kinds of food stuff. So I wanted to just kind of ask you about your mission here and what you're doing. And I love lights in clothing. I want to wear lights. I want to always have illumination. I love LED lights and clothing, and I love being able to make it. And I actually have a lot of Adafruit products in my line. I use the Circuit Playground Express to make the necklaces here. I have a lot of the single color LEDs and all of my headpieces. So I really appreciate the community within that Adafruit supports, because there's tutorials and forums and tutorials and tutorials and more tutorials, and then it allows me to take my dreams and actually make them into things that I can code myself. It's great. That is so fantastic, and I'm just delighted. Can we all close up for necklace? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Now I'm just delighted with them. So there's different modes. I was able to set the Circuit Playground Express to do different flickery modes. This is fire mode. We got lightning. We got water mode, and then I've got a few different colors. White, because I use different natural stones. This one is a labradorite, and so I really like being able to have different colors to fit the vibe and different outfits that people are going to wear, and that tend to where can people find out more about you? So my website is blue-moon-designs.com. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram as Blue Moon Katherine with a K, Brine. And then so if you'll probably figure out it's me, because my date's all right, thanks so much.